pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap Chester local and long-distance movers near me. If you are planning on moving to Chester or moving out for a long distance, then you have come to the right place. Moving to a whole new state can be stressful, and we are here for you to take that stress. We will provide services that will make your shift stress-free. Even if your new home is just a few blocks away from your old home, moving can be a very exhausting job. Don't bother calling your neighbors to seek for a professional moving company. 3 men and a truck will do everything you wish for. So, leave the shifting process to us and rely on us for the safety and security of your belongings. We will get you shifted to your new home within a few hours. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Chester moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form. Pack